Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tutorialverse Hub. If you're a homeowner with a garage or a driveway, you've probably faced this nightmare scenario. A dark, ugly oil stain staring back at you from your pristine concrete. It looks terrible, and you might think it's there for good. But what if I told you that you could get rid of it with some common household items? Well, stick around because today I'm going to show you a simple, effective method to make those stubborn oil stains disappear. First things first, let's take a look at this fresh oil spill on my driveway. It's a common sight, whether it was from a small leak in your car or a little accident while doing some maintenance. The key to tackling this is to act fast, but even older stains can be treated with this method. Your first step is absorption. You need to pull as much of that liquid oil out of the porous concrete as possible before it soaks in deeper. For this, we're going to use a super absorbent material. You have a couple of great options here. The first one is baking soda. You likely already have a box of this in your kitchen. It's cheap, it's effective, and it's non-toxic. The other fantastic option is cat litter, specifically the clay-based kind. This stuff is literally designed to absorb liquid, so it's perfect for the job. Sawdust or cornstarch can also work in a pinch. Today, I'm going to demonstrate with cat litter. Now, don't be shy with it. You want to completely cover the entire oil stain with a generous layer. We're talking about a good ½ inch to 1 inch thick. You want to make sure there's enough material to soak up all of that free-floating oil. Once it's covered, you need to give it some time to work its magic. I recommend letting it sit for at least a few hours, but for the best results, leaving it overnight is ideal. This gives the absorbent material plenty of time to wick the oil out from deep within the concrete's pores. You might even see the material start to change color as it pulls up the oil. Alright, it's the next day, and as you can see, the cat litter has darkened significantly, which is a great sign. It means it has absorbed a lot of the oil. Now, we just need to sweep this up and dispose of it properly. You can just use a simple dustpan and brush for this part. After sweeping, you'll notice that the liquid puddle is gone, but a dark stain probably remains. This is the oil that has already soaked into the surface. Now it's time for phase 2, scrubbing. We need a degreasing agent to break down this remaining residue. You could use a commercial concrete degreaser, but a strong solution of dish soap and hot water works surprisingly well. Dish soap is designed to cut through grease on your plates, and it does the same thing here. I'm going to mix up a bucket of hot water with a good squirt of dish soap. Now, pour a small amount of this soapy water directly onto the stained area. Next, grab a stiff bristled brush. A deck brush with a long handle is perfect because it saves your back. Now, put some elbow grease into it and start scrubbing in a circular motion. You want to really work that soapy solution into the concrete to lift the embedded oil. Keep scrubbing for a few minutes, applying firm pressure. You should see the soapy water start to turn a dirty brown color as it lifts the grime. We're on the final step, and this is the most satisfying part: rinsing. The best tool for this is a pressure washer. A pressure washer will blast away the loosened oil and soapy residue, leaving a clean surface behind. If you don't have a pressure washer, a regular garden hose with a high-pressure nozzle will also work. It just might require a bit more effort. Start at the top of the stained area and work your way down, using a sweeping motion. Make sure to rinse the entire area thoroughly so you don't leave any soap residue behind, which could attract more dirt later. Watch as the grime just washes away. And there you have it. Look at that. The concrete is clean, and that ugly oil stain is completely gone. It might take a couple of passes for very old, deep stains, but as you can see, this method is incredibly effective. Now the concrete surface needs to dry completely, and it will look as good as new. So next time you find an oil spot on your driveway, don't panic. Just grab some cat litter or baking soda, a brush, and some soap, and you'll have it cleaned up in no time. Thanks so much for watching today. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more home maintenance tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next one.